Hi everyone, in this video I'll be introducing you to a new website called NicheStar. NicheStar is a newly launched website in the Guardian market, and you can click the first link in the video description in order to be taken to this registration page where you'll be asked to fill in your mobile number and then a password for yourself in order to create an account on this particular website. I already have an account, so I'll just log in and then show you how this particular platform works. Alright, so after registering, you'll be taken to this page, and also you'll be rewarded with a sum of $1 in your balance. You'll be rewarded with $1. So when we go back to the home page over here, you can see some pages over here, which is the Telegram app, withdrawal, and then recharge. But let's get to know more about these people first. So when you come to the product page, you can see they have a VIP ranging from VIP 1 all the way to VIP 10. So VIP 1 costs a sum of $6, and your daily income is $0.9, and then VIP 2 costs a sum of $1.50. Costs a sum of $10, and your daily income is going to be $1.50. Up to VIP 10 cost a sum of $500, and your daily income is $75 per day. So this particular website has packages for each website, and then make some cool. Let's check how you can be able to recharge on this particular platform. So you then click on recharge, you then choose to either deposit $6 or $500, all the way up to $500. So when I choose the $6 right here, you then click on where it is go ahead. So you can see that $6 is equivalent to 99 Ghana cedis. You then click on this and then choose either to deposit via USDT or via mobile money. So most of us do not have this kind of crypto wallets to be using already, so you then use this mobile money over here. So you then click on where it says pay $6. So then this page then loads for you. Then you can see that there's a number over here, so you then input, copy this, and then you input your account number over here, the number in which you will use it for the payment. Input that number over here, and then you enter a transaction ID. After that, you click on where it says pay and confirm. So copy this number, send the 99 Ghana cedis to them, and then you click on pay and confirm. Now after you have been able to do that, they will then credit your account with the equivalent amount in which product over here. Again, you can see that I have already invested in the first package. Yes, I've already invested, so I have some coins here which I would like to you to see how this particular platform method also is. You then click on where it says withdrawal here, and then I have 4.50, so 4.50, and then click on where it says go ahead. Sometime they are then going to transfer me my money. They will then transfer their money. So withdrawal record over here, you can see the withdrawal is not yet successful, and it is still under processing. So when this withdrawal comes, I'll then add the screenshot on the screen for you. The screenshot is then going to be displayed on the screen for you to see.
A few moments later.